Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another exciting tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you exciting things which makes your life great and easy. It's how to just control your PC using your smartphone or Android mobile. There are plenty of reasons to have a remote control for your computer. Maybe you need a way to access your file from outside your home, or you use headless system without a monitor, or you want to easy way to control a home theater PC without a mouse and keyboard cluttering up to your coffee table. There are many ways to achieve remote control. You can use the full remote desktop client, which will transmit image from your monitor and sometimes even a speaker sound to your phone or tablet. This option is generally more powerful, but it's also a bit more complicated and is preferred by more advanced user. To do such a thing is, we should have to download one application and one software. One application for your Android mobile and the same application to your desktop also. Now to download this, come to your mobile and open Play Store. Then after Play Store, in search bar type PC remote, then search. Just let me repair PC remote. Here, as you see, I already downloaded the software, the application, and I need to open. Okay, just let me get it open. But you know what? Just let me clear. You should have to connect this application to your computer firstly. To connect this application to your computer, you should have to download this software also. Just you can download this software. I gave you the link. You can check the link in the description, and you should have to download this software. After you download this software, right click and open the software. Here I open. Then after setting, just you should have to make it secure. The password over here, you can just enter the password over here, because we should have to make it secure. No one can just use without your permission. I mean that you are the administrator of the PC and you can just simply use. Only you are the administrator of this PC. You can use simply your PC. You can control only. You are the one who control this PC. Then after OK, here now we should have to connect both. Then after come to in search bar. In search bar, come to type cmd. Then after you do so, type run as administrator. Right click, run as administrator, and then type VLAN set hosted network. Then after mode allow. Then after SSID, your Wi-Fi name over here, let me call it Almutasim. Then after key, this one is your Wi-Fi password. Then after let me make it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then after hit enter. Here as you see, the hosted network is started. Now type VLAN start hosted network, then hit enter. Here the hosted network is started. And after let me minimize and came to your phone, setting, then after Wi-Fi, here Almutasim as you see over here. Then after click into it, show the password, and the password is, let me check it here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 8. And after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then connect. Here connected. Now came to the application PC remote. Then after connected, just click into connect. Here connect. Now here the desktop, click, and it's asking me the password because I make it the password into it. I secured. Now let me type the password, allow. Okay, here it connected. Now you can just simply You can just simply protect your PC by using, you can just use your Android phone as a mouse. Let me, as you see over here, now just I'm using Android phone here as a my mouse. Right click or just make it refresh, as you see. Now you can just make it many things over here. Let me show you. Desktop over here, let me click it here, as you see. Now I'm using my Android phone, not my computer. Let me click in this PC here, then after let me say, click on start. Start, as you see now. Let me just exit this PC over here, this story over here. Just simply you can just control your PC as you need. Exit. Exit here. Now just you can control as you need. You can open any file you need, any kind of song, any kind of things which you need. You can open it simply by using your phone. Okay, just let me make it exit. By using such things, you can just download any kind of this PC over here. As you see, there is local CD drive, backup. Let me come to backup here. As you see, for example, let me to download this image, click into it, then after download over here, you can download to your mobile by using such things. It's very easy and essential. That's why this I like this remote control, remote PC. Even it have around 32 or 35 game, and you can just add into it. You can just play in your PC simply. And this all what I have for you today, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. For my latest update, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and subscribe my channel and click on bell ring icon to stay updated. Thank you very much. Bye bye.